Thank you so much for taking time to come to our studio. Would you like to tell us your name?
Sure. My name is Christine Wilson Owens, and I work at Harborview Medical Center in the Interpreter Services Department. And I supervise a program called Ethnomed, which is a website with information about culture and medicine and health topics relevant to caring for refugee and immigrant communities. And it's geared toward medical providers as a resource for them to help them learn about communities and ways they might be able to serve them better, tools that can help them do that. And yeah, I'm glad to be here to talk a little bit about that and also about an event that we're participating in organizing that's coming up pretty soon in Seattle.
Would you like to tell us more about the event that's
Sure.
coming up?
Sure. So this is the Northwest Regional Conference for African Immigrant Health. And there's been 2 national conferences before this, and this is the first regional one. It's Saturday and Sunday, March 19th and 20th at Alder Hall at the University of Washington. If you go to ethnomed.org, the homepage, you can find a link to information about the conference. It's geared toward lay community members, students, folks who work in the healthcare field, and there's over 50 presenters covering a range of presentations around behavioral health, chronic disease, infectious disease, research in African immigrant communities, culture and religion, acculturation, so a lot of different kinds of topics. There'll be poster sessions as well. And at the same time as the conference is happening, there's a couple of special training offerings. One is a community health worker training, a certificate program provided by the Office of Minority Health. And that is, I think, the full first day, so Saturday the 19th, and then part of the day on Sunday the 20th. And then the other training is a mental health first aid training, so working with folks around trauma and behavioral health issues, and that's also free. So, and I heard today there's still space in the mental health first aid training and a few spaces left in the community health worker. And then there's still space for the conference. Scholarships are available, and also a discounted rate for students and community health workers as well.
Besides the scholarship, how is this beneficial for youth and students?
Yeah, I think that students who are interested possibly in healthcare field will get a chance to see what peers maybe who are a little bit older in their community are working on, and then some of the experts around different health issues, infectious disease and mental health, and get a sense of sort of what might be disparity issues affecting the African immigrant community and other communities as well. And then I think it's a great chance to network. The African Student Union at the University of Washington is participating in bringing in a lot of volunteers, so I think younger folks, high school students would have a good opportunity to meet folks who are just a little bit older, but on campus and looking at health care opportunities, for their careers. Also, the first day of the conference, that evening, there's going to be an arts and culture event at the Ethnic Cultural Center, which is right near the conference location, and that the African Student Union's sponsoring that, and I think there's going to be dance and food and performances and that sort of thing, music. So again, I think a fun entertainment event, but also a chance to network and meet folks. So I just encourage people to take a look at the website ethnomed.org and check out both these trainings, the community health worker training and the mental health first aid training, and then also the conference. There's a conference agenda up there as well, and you can get a sense of what presentations are going to be available. And if you have time that weekend, think about coming down. Check us out, ethnomed.org. Right on the front page, check out links to the conference information and links to the information about the free trainings. And hopefully we'll see you out the 19th and the 20th.
All right.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for coming
Yeah.
to our studio.